This style square, combining 90 and 45 into one blade with a heavy reference shoulder, has been a standard item in a carpenter's tool belt since the 1920s. 100 years later, there's still nothing faster to strike a line square or at 45 on a 2x4 or 2x6. But what about when you want to do tight tolerance furniture and cabinet work? Woodpecker's latest one-time tool, the model 6SS-2.0 Carpenter Square, takes the fundamental features of the traditional carpenter square and elevates the design to meet the expectations of demanding woodworkers. After the stainless carpenter squares are machined on our CNC mills, the accuracy is verified on our computerized optical inspection system. Tolerance is held to 0.0085 degrees on both the 90 and 45 degree side, and the scale is held to a tolerance of 0.02 of an inch or better over the length of the blade. To ensure the accuracy of the base, stainless alignment pins are pressed through the blade and into both sides of the base. Then stainless cap screws lock the whole thing together. The result is a rugged, attractive square with impeccable accuracy. Use it to mark your stock and to check your work during assembly. And marking angles other than 45 couldn't be easier. Just tick your starting point, align the angle you want to the edge of your stock, and strike your line. Like all Woodpecker's one-time tools, the 6SS 2.0 Carpenter Square is built using state-of-the-art fabrication lasers and CNC mills. It's inspected on our cutting-edge computerized optical inspection system, and it's engraved using the latest in high-precision lasers, all right here in Strongsville, Ohio. Woodpecker's Model 6SS 2.0 Stainless Steel Carpenter Square, taking a century-old design to a new level of precision and accuracy. Order yours today.